Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Chrome background in just a few clicks. This is a super easy way to customize your browser, make it feel more personal, and give every new tab a fresh look. Whether you want to use one of Chrome's built-in backgrounds or upload your own image, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tutorial. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and open a new tab. This is important because the background settings are available from the new tab page, not from every page in the browser. Once the new tab opens, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen and click Customize Chrome. This opens Chrome's personalization menu, where you can change the way your browser looks. After the customization panel appears, go to Change Theme. This is where Chrome gives you different visual options for your browser background and appearance. Now you'll see a few choices. You can select Chrome backgrounds if you want to use one of the built-in images and the designs that Google provides. These are great if you want something clean, simple, or colorful without uploading anything yourself. If you want a more personal look, choose Upload Your Own Image. This lets you set a custom picture from your computer as the Chrome background. It could be a photo, a wallpaper, a design, or anything else you want to see every time you open a new tab. After selecting your background, Chrome usually shows you a preview right away. If everything looks good, click Done to save the change. And that's it. Your background changes instantly, and your new tab should now display your selected Chrome theme or custom image. If you want to change it again later, just repeat the same steps and pick a new background anytime. This is one of the fastest ways to personalize Chrome without installing extensions or changing any advanced settings. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick how-to videos, and comment below if you want more browser customization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.